A new law just signed days ago by Governor Rhoden is adding more predictability for homeowners and their tax bill.
Beth Warden tonight is introducing us to realtors who are already seeing the relief in the real estate market.
Last week, Governor Larry Rhoden, surrounded by those supporting a property tax cap, signed SB 216 into law in the Capitol Rotunda.
216 is a win for South Dakota homeowners. The bill is impactful and workable, and it will certainly buffer any future tax increases.
Realtor Megan Alberico describes how the real estate assessment cap works.
This is more of a strategic benefit for people that are homeowners. The taxes can only go up 3%, and so it caps the assessed value, so it may be less, but it's not going to go over the 3%. So it's going to keep it in a consistent manner for homeowners.
In the past, she's seen the sticker shock on the faces of homeowners and buyers.
Could be double, it could be close to double, or you could be very different than your neighbor. I've had other people call and say that they expected their payment to be consistent and not realizing their taxes and insurance are going to go up.
The timeline for the cap is also described in the law.
It's going to limit the amount that those taxes go up over a period of 5 years, and that's going to be really good for consumers.
Broker associate Eric Brockhoff believes the real estate assessment cap law will create a new path for future homebuyers.
So we have to navigate oftentimes a lot of variables, but having a clear trajectory on what those increases are going to look like over a period of time will help with consumer confidence when they're looking or considering at buying a home. Trying to be proactive and not reactive when it surprises them.
I think it's a relief for people, and I can be more clear about what their payment's going to be long term and setting that expectation right up front for them to know going forward.
The new law also increases the maximum income limits for the assessment freeze program from $55,000 for single-member homes and $65,000 for multi-member homes. The bill also increases the maximum eligible home value to $500,000. In Sioux Falls, Beth Warden, Dakota News Now.
If you own the home that you live in, it is important to submit your owner-occupied form to receive a reduction on your tax assessment as well. We have a link for that online form over at dakotanewsnow.com.